Hi Saurabh,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good.
I am really good, thanks. So it has taken us 2 weeks to
Yeah, that's true.
schedule this.
Stuck in few things.
Yeah. So what can you tell me about the bike? How long has it been since you owned it?
It's been almost 4 years in this August. It's gonna be 4 years, and I have driven up to 20,000 kilometers in 4 years.
How much do you love the bike?
A lot, a lot. It's my first bike basically, so
Okay,
I love it.
nice.
So yeah.
So I have a very cliche question. I think it makes sense to all the hunter owners.
Yeah,
What do you hunt?
I just hunt for the peace on this machine. So yeah, so it gives me the peace whenever I feel sad, low, or emotionally weak or something. So I just push my emotions on this bike. That's what the bike provides me, and I provide my love towards it. So, yeah.
So what are the modifications that you have done so far?
So the basically the first modification I got was the headlights, the minus headlights, which I have got within after buying the bike 1 year,
Mm-hmm.
and after that I got that handlebars,
Mm-hmm.
and it was around 1100 something, and the minus headlight was 2800 something.
Okay.
And as per the exhaust, I can say, so it's Evernow exhaust, performance exhaust. It's an open exhaust, so
Okay.
it gives the bassy voice of this bike.
That's how I recognized you.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
And I have removed my engine guards and stump guard just to have a clean look,
Okay.
because of the engine guard, it was looking very different. So for this clean look, I have just removed it.
So you wanted to keep it stock but still have what you wanted
Yeah.
for your satisfaction.
Yeah,
A
for
few
my side.
changes.
Yeah, just few changes. And in future, I'm thinking to change the handlebars
Nice.
and getting wheel cover, half wheel covers, just to make it more aggressive like a cafe racer.
Nice. Would love to see that.
Yep,
So, what would you suggest someone who's into motorcycles? Like, why did you pick up Hunter? Usually, there is a lot of research when someone does. ये budget में fit होगा, ये budget में नहीं fit होगा, this, that, and all. So, what was running through your mind when you picked the Hunter?
so basically, I have tried a lot of bikes.
Mm-hmm.
So I just basically I thought to buy from Royal Enfield just because Royal Enfield is like a royal kind of thing. So I just tried every bike. So Hunter, it just suited me. अच्छा लगा मेरे
Test drive के बाद.
test drive के बाद. So I just picked it, and it was budget friendly also. I bought it at 2,15,000 4 years back. So yeah.